Good morning, friends. Viral infection is a major issue during this time, and the major complications like fever, cough, body ache, headache, and cold, etc., are common symptoms. So, here we are suggesting one homemade herbal treatment for such complications, and you can use this treatment at your home, and you can see the results as well as you can comment, pass some comments on the comment box. So, here what you have to do is to take here you have to take for one man. This is the dose of for particularly one man. So here you have to take 1 glass of desi cow milk in one cooking pan and start boiling. Meanwhile, take half teaspoon of turmeric and approximately 1 teaspoon of ginger in a one crushing pan and crush it properly and make a very good paste. Once the milk starts boiling, add this paste in the milk, mix it properly, and again allow it for boiling at least thrice. See, this treatment has scientific base. Turmeric is one of the best antibiotic, antiviral, antibacterial, and antiseptic property herb, while the ginger is having property of pain killing. It is also one of the best painkiller herb. Now, when we gets ill, particularly we are feeling fever and so on, during that time when we go to doctor, he will immediately prescribe us antibiotic and painkillers. Similarly, these are two natural antibiotic and painkiller, and combination of these two makes it very powerful against the infectious disease. And that's why these two drugs are being used since ancient time to treat viral infections. So here you can see we have added this mixture, this paste in the milk, and we have mixed it properly with the milk so that the maximum active principle which are present in the turmeric and this ginger will get accumulated in the milk. So I am talking of this benefit of these two herbs. As I told that since so many years during ancient time also these two drugs are being used. Even at the time of delivery or parturition, the woman has been also given this type of drugs, and ginger, particularly dried ginger, which is called as sunt in India, is being used. Sunt preparations are being used for so many years. So again, preparation with the milk will again boost its power, and the active principle which are fighting with the germs gets accumulated in the boiling milk. Some of the active principles which are fat soluble like curcumin will also gets soluble in the milk, but it will not get soluble in the water, and that's why instead of taking this preparation with the milk, it is better to take this milk with the milk, so that the fat soluble and water soluble active principles which are present in the turmeric and gingers gets accumulated in the milk, and we can take advantage of these active principles. Now, after boiling of the milk, what we have to do is we have to sieve this mixture with the help of small sieve, and the remaining part which is there on the sieve is also to be pressed so that maximum part can be recovered in the milk. So, as I have told that this is the one of the excellent preparation, homemade preparation we can try in some of the fever, cold, cough, and ache, particularly pain in our body. Now what I have to do is once this preparation is ready, we have to drink this as a hot, not allow it for the cold. Particularly remember this, you have to take this preparation as hot before the bed for 3 consecutive days for treatment purpose, particularly when you are ill or you are having fever, cold, cough, etc. And when if you want to take this preparation as a preventive measure, particularly when there is a season of particular flu in your area, you can take this preparation as a preventive measure. so that you can save yourself from the this some of the infectious disease. So you can see I have sieved this milk, and we have pressed this remaining portion on the sieve, so the maximum principle gets accumulated in the milk and we can take advantage. Now what you have to do is you have to take this preparation just before bed as a hot, not allow it to cool. You have to take it whole hot. Now remember this typical procedure what I am telling. Drink this hot milk before bed, but in the manner as we are taking tea, hot tea. So you have to take like tea just before bed, and after drinking immediately go to bed, sleep upside down, and take one winter blanket on you to cover your body completely, and take a deep breath. After certain period of time, particularly 10 to 15 minutes, there will be a huge sweating from your body. Once the sweating is over, then sleep normally and remove blanket from your body. So after getting sweating, even when we are taking painkiller also, the same effect you will get. After taking painkiller, there will be sweating and there will be cooling of body. Same thing happen with this preparation, and once you take, there will be a complete sweating, and thereafter there will be relief from the body ache and temperature immediately. So on the very first day you have to follow this treatment. You have to drink the milk, hot milk, and you have to use the blanket, and you have to sleep upside down. On second and third day you have to take only this milk with the turmeric and ginger as we have prepared, but there is no need to sleep upside down and take the winter blanket on you. So this kind of treatment you have to follow on the first day, and thereafter 2 consecutive days you have to take milk with ginger and turmeric. You can try this treatment in any kind of fever, cough, cold and body ache, and you can see the magic results. On the very first day you will get maximum relief and on the third day you will get almost recovery from the fever, cough, body ache and pain. You can try this. This is one of the best treatment for fever, cold, cough, headache, body ache, and gives immediate relief on very first day, and on third day there will be a good recovery. And even this treatment you can try with the with your this current treatment, allopathic treatment also, with consulting your doctor. Particularly remember, you have to consult your doctor, and you have to take this preparation with your this allopathic treatment also. Kindly follow this if you feel this kind of complications, and also share this video to your friends and subscribe this channel also. And it is my request that maximum you will try to share this video, so that maximum people gets advantage of this preparation. Even also after getting 3 days treatment also, you can try at your home, and you can comment on your comment box, so that we can prepare we can share this preparation with some other your experience we can share with the peoples, that these many peoples have taken this preparation and they have recovered from these kind of infections. So thank you all, and it's my request you may try to share this video to maximum people, so that they can get advantage. Thank you very much.